Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A94 and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, we will need to turn it off by holding the power key. Now once the phone turns off, you want to hold power and the volume down at the same time. And when you see the OPPO logo show up on the screen, let go of only the power key. There we go. Now we do want to keep holding volume down. And as you can see, this will show you your language selection. So from here, find your desired language, and you are now in the recovery mode. And from here we only have one option, two, so we can install updates from storage or do an online update. And under wipe data we have format data or wipe data, which wipe data doesn't really do much considering it retains contacts, messages and photos. And obviously we have the reboot and power off as means to leave this mode, which I'll select reboot just so I can get back to my normal operating system. So as you can see, we are now back in Android. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.